G'day, g'day, comrade subscribers. Hope everyone's well. Thanks for hanging around. Do you remember this cute little fellow, the Slavutich, from Ukraine? So it's a video game. It's surprise, surprise, a ZX Spectrum clone, but it's whoa, it's a really, really nicely made one. So it's all metal case. Membrane keyboard, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Icarus 64 has got a membrane keyboard, and it's quite good actually. But I think this one was designed more, from what I understand, talking to the guys in the Ukrainian computer history Telegram channel. This was designed as kind of like a console. So we've got basically a ROM. The expansion port here is basically for ROMs. Now I don't know why that's stuck on there just to cover it, I guess, but it's really irritating me now. Let me just pull it off. There we go. So yeah, so we've got basically a ROM cartridge interface there. So you just use ROM cartridges rather than loading software from cassette. It does have, go around the right way. It does have magnetophone, so it does have a cassette input. All DINs, 7-pin DINs. I've gone through this, but the thing is, I've only made one video on this because it basically worked, and there's little documentation on it. Well, there is a poorly scanned document, but the issue I had is the pinout for the magnetophone. I wasn't really sure on it. But rather, so for if you've just joined the channel, rather than make you go back and watch my video on this, my part one, we can just go through it quickly again. So we've got a nice reset button, a really nice on-off button. We've got RGB, S, and sound out because this doesn't have an internal speaker, so the sound comes out of there as well. We've got magnetophone, we've got pitanya, so that's the power. Then we have our ROM cartridge, and then we've got our joystick. So that's our joystick interface. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so last time I tried it was working. So I had the pitanya and the RGB connection done. I think it's the same. I think the RGB is the same as the Oral BK computer, which is also from Ukraine. But I'll make up another cable anyway. I've got the output there, and yeah, 7-pin DIN for the pitanya for the power. But we only need ground and 5 volts. We only need 2 pins. So, but I guess, you know, if you've got if the factory is supplying 7-pin DINs, then that's what you use. So yep. And I think maybe this is the magnetophone, the cassette. I think, based on the schematic, because it's according to the block, I think it's X5 interface. Let me just hold this up a bit better. So the magnetophone, I believe, is the X5. Is the X5 interface, and looking through it, I couldn't really see, nothing really stood out. Well, there weren't any diagrams, for example, like we've got several for the video output, so there's quite a few different options actually, showing you how to do RGB straight, or whether you have the combined. But I think we've got a few interfaces here, but we don't have the X5 for the magnetophone. So I've kind of had a look at the fold-out schematic. Yeah, that doesn't exist anymore. I just checked it just now. Okay, so this is what I could find here. Again, sorry, but this is the best copy I've got. We've got magnetophone there, which I think is these interfaces here. I can't really read this, but I think this was got 1 and 4, which is signal 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 and 5, which is signal 1, 2, 2, and then we've got 2, which is ground. So 2 is pretty much usually ground, but that's 5 pins, not 7. But anyway, so if we follow 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 2 is up here, which is pretty straight, comes out of 94, and then 1, 2, oh no, that was 1, 2, 3, wasn't it? So 1, 2, 2 goes through all of this. So I'm thinking that this is maybe the input, 1, 2, 1. So therefore I think 1, 2, 1, oh, I can't really read it now. It was 1, 2, well, this is what I wrote on the front anyway. Oh, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay. Oh yeah, so 1, 2, 2 connects to 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So I think 3 and 5 is cassette in, 1 and 4 is cassette out, and pin 2 is ground. So 3 and 5 are the ones that I'm interested in on a 7-pin DIN. So that's what I will try and do. So I'll get all this. Oh, we can open it up. So like I said, I'll have a quick look inside. That might be useful actually for checking the, I think we just got these 4 on the side, for checking the cassette input. See if it goes through an op amp or 2. So let me just unscrew this and be back. Okay, there we go. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and they'll be connected somehow. Yep. Lots of decoupling capacitors. Look at them. They did not skimp on the decoupling capacitors, did they? So, yeah, I love this. I love this. I'm going to have a quick close-up. Got some of those really nice, expensive ones that normally get chopped off, lopped off. Otherwise, look at all these decoupling caps. They did not shy on these ones. Okay, so yeah, we've got a Western Zilog there, Z80. We've got a pair of Soviet ROMs. So usual. Oh, it's nice how they've cut a little window out of that capacitor there, so you can actually see it. And then we've got our kind of resistor array there. We've got kind of like a bus bar that the resistors are connected to ground. So you just got to, I don't know, sometimes I'm just a bit worried about these resistors touching pins. But so when I tried this, it was working. So yeah, so pretty much all Soviet parts apart from the CPU. Or I don't know where the capacities, all these capacitors are from. There we've got that kind of resistor bus bar again. So yeah, I want to just double check the magnetophone, which was one of these. Oh no, that's power magnetophone. So I just want to double check the magnetophone connections here. So yeah, 6 and 7 aren't connected, which are the ones up the top there. So we'll see if 3 and 5 are connected together, and if 1 and 4 are connected together, then it's a pretty good bet. Some good quality switches, yeah. I love that power switch there. 5 volts in, so I'll just have make up a USB power cable. Oh, that's interesting. Another little resistor array there. Interesting way of doing it. I can go around. Cool. All right. And then, of course, the mess of the joystick and the keyboard. Okay, time to make some cables and then we'll be back. Just noticed we got these 4 legs there. Always suspicious when you see things like that on a post-Soviet computer, that something's been clipped off. It doesn't look like, they look kind of rounded, so it doesn't look like something's been cut off. Yeah, so because we've got these two, these ones I think are the K1M type. So yeah, I'm not sure what these are. Sometimes there are kind of not so much header pins. Well, yeah, maybe they are kind of Soviet equivalent of header pins. But yeah, I'm not really sure what these are for. So something to bear in mind. There are a couple of videos which I'll probably link to in the video description of, I think it's either Russian or Ukrainian language. Someone's trying to fix one of these. So I might have a look and see if I can see those are connected or not to anything. Anyway, time for cables. Right, I'm almost done. Got the magnetophone cable done. Yeah, not too sure about it because when I pulled the socket out, and it's actually pins 1 and 2 that are connected, 3 and 5 that are connected together, and then pin 4 apparently is ground, which is odd because normally they make pin 2 ground, not pin 4 ground. So 1 and 2 are connected together, 3 and 5, and I think 3 and 5 are the input, and I think 1 and 2 are the output, but I'm not entirely sure. So normally for output record, I put a little red thing on for the record, but I haven't heat shrinked it yet, just in case it's the other way around. And the RGB audio cable, just about I'm doing my usual braided cable, and just about bit complex. So I've got a 3.5mm socket for the audio, and then obviously the RGBS cable. So hopefully this will all work out okay, and then we'll power it up. Just got to take this tape off, and let me get this tape off. There. I think we're all set. So I've had to basically make 3 new cables. Power cable, which is just USB because it's 5 volts in. So I've just made up one of my usual USB cables. And then we've got our magnetophone, and then we've got our RGBS. Okay, put that over there. Start recording, and let's see, where's the power cable gone? Plug her in. Hey, seems to be working. Slavutich, Kiev, KRZ. So, okay. Thought that was supposed to be the power switch. VKL on. Okay, doesn't look like the power switch works. What's the diagram? Number 3. Tomb blur. Toggle. VKL on. Toggle on. All right. Okay. Don't seem to be doing anything. Not to worry. Let's see. Hey. Okay. Delete. Oh no. Keyboard's okay. Yeah, it's quite responsive. Space. Where was print? I thought print was under. Oh, there it is. Yeah, print. And then I think, is it that one? No, it's not that one. No, it's not that. Or maybe I'll hold it down. No. Symbol shift. Yeah, okay. Print. Test. Symbol shift. And then is there semicolon? Or do delete. Space. Semicolon. There's a colon up there. So that would be symbol shift, I guess. Yep, there we go. Okay. 20. Go to 10. Run. Cool. Scroll. Okay. Say the I don't know, it's a little bit dim maybe, I don't know. For RGBS, it was kind of looking a little bit like it's composite output, but yeah. All right, let's try and load something, I guess. I've got to try and find my Spectrum software. All right, well, let me just stop this. And I'll dig out my Spectrum software and we'll try loading something. Now, I did have a bunch of WAV files for the Specky, but I don't know where I've put them. So I'm thinking I might go old-fashioned and actually use cassettes. So I've got some cassettes from the Future was 8-bit. Crazy Blaster, Pilot Attack, Rodmän. I might try Rodmän or Jetpack Jock. Jetpack Jock. I'm going to try that one. It's a space platformer with thrust mechanics. Alright, give that one a try maybe. So, I have to put those to the side. And get another cable. Yeah, alright, let me get cables. Give this a try. Plug her in. Okay. I think it was just load, wasn't it? Load. I think that's enough. Okay, press play. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. So far so good. Now I'm just thinking whilst it's loading, because there's a lot of diagrams in here for the video output. So I'm thinking that there's a few options on how you can actually get the video working. Because I'm just thinking that this is a bit, it's a bit too dim. So I'm thinking maybe I need to modify it. Oh, there we go. All right, so far so good. Let's see. Anyway, yeah, so maybe I need to look at modifying the video output, I'm not sure. It just doesn't, it just is a bit, it's a bit low. Okie dokie. Let's see. Keyboard. I think we want keyboard, so let's stop that. So it's OP. Ah, okay. I have to fly. Okay. Ah. Okay. Might be better on a joystick. Okay. I can't touch any of the... I'm pressing the wrong... Yeah, can't even touch that either. Jeez. So the problem is, because it's a membrane keyboard, it's very easy to put your finger... Oh, what did I... Oh. your finger in the wrong place. So I'm trying to jet. Oh, kidding. Oh, man. This is hard. One more. Yeah, because you don't actually have physical keys. It's... Alright, now... Okay, I got that. Okay, now I need to go over there. Ah! See, I'm pressing the wrong... Yeah. It's a bit frustrating. Yeah, so maybe keyboard, joystick is better for this machine. For this type of game anyway, that's so unforgiving. Oh, man. Alright. Reset. Okay, so that was, yeah, definitely maybe more of a joystick game. That was just too hard on a membrane keyboard. We can try Rodmän next, and then we could try some of that, some of those Soviet tapes. Okay, so I think this might be kind of like Pac-Man. L. Let's try keyboard. Let's see if keyboard goes any better. Press fire. Oh, don't know what fire is. Don't even know what the controls are. Okay, that's fire, obviously. Space. Okay, OP. Q. Yep. All right. There we go. Whoop, whoop. This is the problem again, is that if you take your... Yeah, the problem... Okay, so I'm running into the problem with the membrane keyboard again. Obviously not my gameplay, but yeah, you take your eye off and then you... I'm pressing the 1 instead of the Q. You need to keep looking down. Okay. Make sure I'm pressing the right keys. But otherwise, yeah, this would be a good game with joystick. I'm going to have to figure out the joystick, I think. Oh, yep, I can go up there. Where did I go? Oh, okay. Cool. This is a good game. I like it. I like it like this. Do they eat? Do they eat them as well? Okay. So this is actually, I saw it's a Finnish guy who wrote this by the name. Is it Mick Keränen or something? So it's actually Finnish. All right. Game over, man. Game over. One more try. You got to keep your fingers, I think. Don't move your fingers. Ooh, that was close. Ah, he's on my tail. Ah, shouldn't have stopped. Got to keep your fingers on the keyboard. They are getting... Okay. I think if they see you, They're not power pellets, are they? Because I can't... yeah, no, this definitely needs a joystick on this machine. It's too hard to play, I think, games like this. Alright, so reset that, and I had a thought, maybe try one of these tapes. Oh, Defender of Crown, tape number 29. CRU, so what's that? CIA versus KGB. I think Mr. Mercury Kiev told me that one. Action Force, License to Kill, Eagle's Nest. This looks a bit... Tazword, okay, this is all applications. I don't want to learn English. Alright, so it's one of these then. Now I do have actually additional tapes. Spy versus Spy, Sorcery. I reckon just... so no idea if one of them's going to work. Just whack one in and see what loads up. Well, pretty... let me just get the... I think it's pretty cool. A lot of effort's gone into it. Oh, I guess this is using some program to adjust your tone levels and azimuth to get it to load. Well, I don't have any of that. We'll just see if it does load or not. Okay, Rodmän. Thank you very much. Ketoxia. No idea. Stick that in, rewind it. Oh, that doesn't sound good. It was not happy rewinding. We might not have any success. That tape is really chugging through on rewind. Alright, give it a try. Let's see what happens. So I am running on battery as well. I really should sort out an AC for that. Now, let's try, see what's the first thing on here. Load. See what happens. It's not a good start. Nah, alright, nah, this tape's not happy at all. Let's try another random tape. That one's playing okay. Alright, I don't know if this is loading or not. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. So I just found out, let me reset that, I discovered where my Spectrum software is. It's under ZX Spectrum instead of Sinclair Spectrum. Anyway, software. So I do have school days on here. It's T. Oh, I have to convert it. I got Dundalk. Okay. No, I don't have any WAV files handy. It looks like. I don't know what else. So I do have original. So the Rocky Horror Show, which is, I just remember this was always my dad's favourite movie. So I'll try this one. So this is an original tape. So I know this does work on other machines. And then I think I'll look at making a joystick up for this fellow. So let's load and press play. Okay, I guess we're ready to start. Oh, actually, I have actually found some WAV files, so I can try one of those after this. I don't think I'm going to do this too long. All right. Okay. Okie dokie. I think, there we go. Okay. Do you wish to be Brad or Janet? Do I type B? All right. Keyboard, Kempston, Protec, Sinclair. All right. Enter option. Yeah, keyboard, I guess. I don't know what the keys are though. Do we have... No. All right. No, we don't have the instructions here. Keyboard it is. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. A went up. Okay, AZ, NM. There we go, NM. I think we got to get the pictures. All right, do we do... Oh, okay, yeah, we got that. I guess we can't go up there because that's locked. No, all right. Let's go up here. I think we've got to do something about reassembling that picture. Okay, and then what was it? Space? No. Enter. Oh, well, you can only... Oh, okay, you can only carry one at a time, maybe. All right, okay, I got the key. So... Which door... Can I just do that? Do I do that? No. Okay. Where do I want to go then? Oh, you got to go somewhere. There's another key. I'll do it before the... What? Oh, okay. I remember. You kind of, yeah, you're all over the place. Oh, there's another one there. This is the weird room. All right. Well, there is stuff in there. I don't know how to get out. How do you get out again? All right. supposed to do something in here. Oh, I need another key, do I? Oh. Beware flashing lights. Alright, got that key. Oh, okay, yep, going all over the place. I don't think I can pick up that bit of the painting because I've got to take it, I think, don't I? To where... And now how do I get out of here? How do I get out? How do I get out? Alright, somehow I got out. Okay. Right, there's more bits of the... Whoa, okay. There's more bits of the painting here, but I can't pick them up, can I? I've got to go take it one at a time. Okay. More bits of paintings in here. Okay. Doesn't necessarily open up every door, is that right? Oh, okay, I'm up there. Okay, so that key opened up that door. Oh, okay. Right. Ah, no, I didn't mean to do that. Go up. Okay, so certain keys open certain doors. Alright, I've got another key now. Ah, so I'm having this problem again where I take my eyes off the... Oh no, I think that's some sort of barrier there. So you're going to go up to here. That's right, and then go down. And then quickly get a cross before it comes on again. Alright, oh okay, one life. Okay, so that was Rocky Horror Show. That's pretty cool. Alright, we'll try one more. It's a WAV file I've got on the computer. So let me get set up. Stop recording here. One thing I should mention also, it looks like I've got the, well, certainly got the cassette in correct. So, because obviously I've been loading software. So, and the ground, I assume. So I'm guessing they've got the output right there as well. So, okay, let's start. All right, so load. And then play on the computer. Hang on. Let's see. This is Sanxion 48. 3 minutes in total. So that didn't load properly. Okay, so maybe I need to adjust playback level 61%. So maybe I need to increase it. Put it up to 80%. And let's try again. And press play. No, it doesn't like that. Is that too loud perhaps? So it loads the first bit, so I just stopped it, went back to the start. Okay, that was, read that okay. Okay. Alright, so I've set it to Playback level 50%. Oh, this seems to be okay. Playback. I've got the gain is minus 6 dB, and I've set the volume to 50% in Audacity. That seems to have done it. Okay, let's see. I think this is going to be another joystick game, I think. Loaded. Okay. Do I need to do something? Alright, answer. Start game keyboard, Kempston. Cursor. So, let's see. To keyboard. Oh, okay. So we can define our keys. I don't think it's going to help much on here. Let's do O, E, A, Z, and backspace. Okay. Keyboard start game. Oh, which one was I doing? O, P, A, Z. Oh, I think. Oh, yeah. I'm not too good. Ah. Yes. Yeah, joystick. Yeah, I can't do it on. There we go. Oh, they came off. That's right. You've got your top-down view and you've got your side view. You need to. Okay. All right. Hope you enjoyed that game. Oh, I think definitely I need to make a joystick for this one. Was it AZ? All right. I don't. You have to turn. It's a good game. Looks like a good game, but they're going to come from behind me, aren't they? So I need to. Oh no. But how do I shoot behind? Ah, right. Also, yeah. Okay. You look at. You need to. There we go. What? What happened there? Oh, because I was looking at the one at the top. Try one more. Okay, try one more. All right. So, how do I? So I can see at the top they're all in the line, but okay. When they come from behind as well. But how do I change? Okay. Okay, joystick. Definitely need a joystick. Joystick. All right. I'll make a joystick. I think because it's Let's stop this. Let's reset that. Stop recording that. Okay. So power off. So I think what I'll do, because it's a 7-pin DIN, and I have no idea what the pinout is. So I'll have to try and figure out what the pinout is. But I'll make a 7-pin DIN to a DE9 socket, so that way I can just plug in, say, an Atari joystick. Because I'm pretty sure it doesn't mention, well, not that I saw it in here as a diagram. X8, I think, interface 8. I don't think I really saw it in here. I think there's a lot of discussion about the video, which is probably why my video is so dim. But I will probably process it in iMovie so it doesn't look as bad. Oh, here we go. Here's joystick. Oh, it's interface 6. Cable. Oh, that's interface 7. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Here's the interface. Okay. So this is the joystick interface. Okay. 2 is ground, I guess. All right. So I should be able to make something up from that. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So I'll have to look on the schematic. That's just telling the parts, isn't it? Micro switches or something. Yeah, all right. So next video will be using a joystick. I've got no excuses. Hopefully that was interesting for you. Quite a neat little machine, but definitely not designed for arcade games without a joystick. Adventure games you could do, but or programming, but yeah, arcade games is, yeah. Okay, bye for now.